Welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going over the Harbor Freight dollar days that's going on from 6/4 to 6/17. Also at the end of this video we are going to go over and see if there's any new tools since the last dollar days. So let's get started. And starting off the dollar days we have the 144 lumen ultra bright portable LED work light flashlight for $1, 49% off. Not a bad deal. I actually picked this up as a free gift one time, and for this being a cheaper thing, it don't work too bad. Definitely worth $1. Next up here we have a Pittsburgh lifetime replacement socket rail, your choice $1, 49% off, and you get these on a quarter, 3/8, or a half. Now these are the metal ones I don't like. Usually you slice yourself open and everything. Don't cheap out on your sockets. Get good socket rails. Go to Amazon. I'll leave a card up above to show you my favorite one. I really don't like any of them from Harbor Freight. Then next up here, we got the 16-ounce hand soap with the orange scent, $1, 49% off. I'm going to pick some of this up and try it out because I don't know if it's any good or not. If you used it before, leave a comment down below. And finishing off this row, we've got the HFT 8.5 foot by 3/4 inch double-sided mounting tape for $1, 66% off. Not a bad deal at all. I've used this before. I used to be in RC cars and to mount my ESCs, I used to use double-sided tape like this, so it'll come in handy for that and a couple other things. Starting off this row, we got the HFT 4-ounce incredibly strong wood glue. First time I've seen something say incredibly strong. If you used it, once again, leave a comment down below because I haven't tried it. $1 at 66% off. Definitely worth the buck to try it out. Next up here, we got the Vanguard 3-way grounded adapter for $2, 33% off, another good deal. Then we have the Hallmaster ball stretch cord set. This is going to be a 4-piece. I don't know if I want my balls stretched like that, but oh, never mind. $2, 33% off, not a bad deal. And then we got an 18-inch ground anchor finishing out this row for $2, 49% off, not a bad deal. This is a good thing to put your dog leashes on for your dogs to be outside. Comes in real handy for that. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh lifetime replacement for one aluminum rafter angle square for $2, 33% off. Great time to pick one of these up. Then we got the Hallmaster 1-inch by 12-foot lashing strap 2-pack. This is going to be $3, 39% off. This could come in very handy if you're moving stuff. Then we got the Pittsburgh feeler gauge 32-piece, $3, 39% off. This works good if you do some of the older stuff. If anybody knows what points and condensers go to on a car, leave a comment down below because you don't have them in cars nowadays. Also, if you're lashing valves, these work good. Gapping spark plugs, let me know what you guys use your feeler gauges for down below. Great deal on these for $3 at 39% off. Very good thing to have in your toolbox. And then finishing off this row, we got another Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, SAE and metric hex key set 25-piece. $3, 49% off. Now that's not a bad deal for both of them. Great time to pick something up like this with a lifetime replacement. Starting off this row, you gotta love it when they got gloves on here. We got the Hardy Goatskin split leather gloves for $3, 39% off. That is a good deal for some decent gloves right there. Then we got the 6-outlet powder strip for $4, 19% off. Next up here, we got the Merlin 1/4 inch brass industrial coupler, your choice. $4, only 14% off. Our threshold is 15, but if you need these, I would say go ahead and get them, and you can get them in female or male. And finishing off this row, we got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 18-inch quick release bar clamp for $4, 33% off. Real handy thing to have, mostly if you're working with wood, cutting it, or trying to put it together, and these will hold it together real nicely. Very good pickup for $4. Starting off this row, we got the Avante 9-inch paint roller frame, best quality. $4, 19% off. That's a decent deal. Then we got the Ranger heavy duty safety goggles for $5, 41% off. Good, safe, cheap way to protect your eyes right there. Now's the time to pick these up. Next up here, we have the Pittsburgh oil pan with spout for $5, 37% off. I actually bought one of these the last time they were on sale, and I really like it. I hate the new style oil pans. I threw out my old one thinking I would like the new ones. Totally regret it. End up buying this, and I like this one a lot better. Now finishing out this row, we got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty panel clip pliers for $5, 49% off. Very good thing to have if you work on cars or trucks or anything. When you have your window regulators or motors go out, anything like that, window switches, These are nice to pop the panels off. Starting off this row, we got the 9 foot by 4 inch by 11 foot 4 inch all-purpose weather resistant 4mm tarp for $6 at 24% off. Not a bad deal. And then here is a great deal on some nut drivers. This is the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty hollow shaft nut driver set, 7-piece, $6, 24% off. ASE or metric are available. These are very nice, just for the simple fact if you don't use them a lot, which in my experience, I've worked on cars since I was 15. I am now 48. I don't use nut drivers that much, so I would pick a setup like this that's cheap because they got a lifetime warranty on them. If they do break, go swap them out. Leave a comment down below. Do you guys use these a lot? Like I said, I don't. Let's move on to the next thing here, and we got a Hercules 1 3/8 inch narrow bimetal plunge blade for oscillating multi-tool for $7, 22% off. And finishing out the dollar days, we got the Kenway 4-way trailer wiring connector kit, 5 foot for $7, 22% off. And there's everything for the dollar days. Let's check out the new tools. All right, since the last time we checked out new tools, they have come out with some new Icon G2 ratchets and 3/8 drive. So let's take a look at them. Here we got the 3/8 drive, a 14-inch long reach flex head ratchet with the comfort grip for $64. Next up here, we have the 3/8 drive, 14-inch long reach flex ratchet, $64 on that one also. This one just don't have the comfort grip like this one does. Leave a comment down below. I prefer the comfort grip. What do you prefer? Then we've got the 3/8 drive 10-inch flex ratchet with the comfort grip. I am definitely going to pick this one up because I have a longer handled one. And when I'm doing brakes on a smaller car and a small wheel well, the handle's too long. So I've been waiting for this one to come out. I am really excited about that. Can't wait for them to put it on a sale though. I never buy them when they're brand new. I always wait for a sale. And then finishing off this row, we got the 3/8 drive 10-inch flex head ratchet. And this one's without the comfort grip for $54.99. New from Chiefs here, we got the 17.5-inch professional extra long air hammer chisel set, 3-piece for $69.99. Next up here, we got something new from Doyle. We got the GFCI receptacle tester for $14.99. Something pretty good if you work on electrical. We got something else new from Chief here. We got the 3/8 inch by 13-inch 80 grit sanding belts with a professional ceramic abrasive 3-pack for $4.99. And finishing out this row, we got the Hercules mixed blade set for oscillating multi-tools, an 8-piece for $39.99. Not a bad deal at all for something new from Hercules. Now here we go. A lot of people had questions about what was going on with the Quinn Master Technician tool set. This one is brand new, a 428-piece one for $429.99. They must have changed some stuff in there. Maybe I'll do a video later on what the difference is compared to the old one. Then we got something new here from Road Chalk, a universal LED 8-gang switch panel for $139.99. And then we got something new here from US General. We got a new color. We have the 30-inch one-drawer service cart now available in purple for $139.99. And finishing off this row, we got the US General magnetic tray with screwdriver holder now available in purple for $15.99. Starting off this row, we got another new color from US General. We got the magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder now in purple for $14.99. And then we're going to move over to their magnetic cup holder in purple for $11.99. And then Titanium has something new here. We got the 45-inch extra long leather welding apron for $24.99. And then finishing out this row, I don't know if we went over this or not in the last one. I remember we went over Doyle electrical stuff, but here's the dual range non-contact voltage tester for $12.99. And there you have it. The Harbor Freight dollar days going on from 6/4 to 6/17. And basically these two items right here would be my picks on it for the dollar days. And then on the new tools, a lot of good new tools coming out. Good to see Harbor Freight coming out with new stuff for us to try out and buy. Gotta love it. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. It helps me buy tools to do videos for you guys. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God. And I'll see you all on the next one.